Local, you know, chilly weather is upon us, especially yesterday. Oh my goodness, it's that time of year to make those heaters, make sure they're still pumping. Okay, so I do have to say yesterday, the cold, it was different. It was a different cold for Colorado Springs,
Oh, yeah.
right?
It was like bone chilling.
Did you get a lot of calls?
Yeah, we got a decent amount of calls yesterday.
And I was a little afraid to turn my heater like on a little more and stuff because I'm kind of afraid if I haven't used it in so long.
Yeah, well, have you had it maintained? That'll help out so much.
I need to have it maintained.
So much.
Yes, guys, this is Thomas, by the way. I don't know if I even introduced you. Thomas, General Manager of Basset Heating and Air Conditioning. We love having you here.
Thank you.
And I do need you around because I do need you to check my, I need it monitored, my heating system.
Absolutely. We offer some really good prices and some actual thorough diagnostics on working pieces of equipment, so I challenge you to give us a try.
What's probably the biggest issue that you see this time of year with people, or the most common issue?
Realistically, it's going to be like filter replacement and the little things that are typically caught during the inspections that you know weren't taken care of this year. That's what we saw a lot of yesterday. Was you know things that were preventable, that you know they hadn't had the tune-up done because the weather's been a lot warmer.
Right.
So we had a lot of minor failures yesterday, and a lot of that could have been avoided if we would have just had the time to get out there before it got cold.
Why? I mean, I guess it's just people. We don't think about it if it's not right in front of our face, right?
Yeah,
so,
absolutely, absolutely. I'm a HVAC guy, and I forget to service my equipment every single year, so it happens.
Yeah.
But we have fail-safes at the company that make sure that as homeowners that doesn't happen for you guys.
So, you know, it can be detrimental, right? If you don't, it can start fires. What issues can come from this?
Fires are not really going to be started by your HVAC equipment unless something has been bypassed, like a limit switch. But what you can see is, some significant overheating, which over time can, create some unsafe conditions.
Right.
If your furnace is overheating and that heat exchanger metal becomes compromised, it can crack. So it's just a lot more of time management. Nobody wants to miss work because their furnace is down and they have to wait for us to get out there from 2 to 4. With the equipment shortages and things of that effect, sometimes we don't have the necessary equipment to successfully repair the furnace that same day. We have to order it from the manufacturer. So I mean, with everything going on, I think it's better to be proactive and really take care of the equipment before you start having issues with it.
It's funny you say that. And maybe not funny, but it's interesting because I feel like a lot of times people get upset when it takes kind of a few days to get their heating or their air fixed in the summer. The heating in the winter, they get freezing, but it's like, it's kind of our fault for not monitoring, probably.
Yeah, I mean, it's one of those things where it's the perfect storm and everything has kind of pushed us to a place where, if you have the opportunity to get it checked out before it gets cold or before you start having some issues, it's probably going to be a lot better as far as timelines and pricing as well.
And you got great prices and deals for the holiday season, and people can check those out on your website? Or?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and call now is a good time?
Absolutely, call right now if you're having some issues, and even if you're not, if you're one of those people that gets a little bit nervous every single season when you go to turn it on, definitely want to give us a call. All
right, well, Thomas with Basset Heating and Air Inc., thank you so much. We appreciate it. Okay, guys, make sure you give them a call, head to their website, do what you need to do so you don't have any issues. This segment has been sponsored by Basset Heating and Air Conditioning Inc., and we're going to be right back after the break.